Check out this DIY sump pump right here. Chiseled out a hole in the concrete foundation. Put that bad boy in. And pumps up on that 1 inch line. It's a check valve. I'll pour some water in it. Pumped it out as fast as I could pour it in. There's the float. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. And they dug a channel, so the water comes from the other side of the basement and drains into this area. So just making sure that works before this tropical storm comes down here and dumps a bunch of water. So working good.